So hi guys, today I'll just be going over a few weekly outlook for the first week of June. Keep in mind that this particular week, a lot of news will be happening, and I think I can just see one here. So you just have to be careful. So you see a lot of news everywhere. So let me start with gold. Gold has entered a kind of bearish move. It's kind of bearish. It's looking bearish rather because in forex market anything can happen. So looking at the way it closed last week, it actually broke out of this downward channel, and for some reason it broke back in. So if you look at the 1 hour, there's a perfect pin bar here. So we'll be looking out for this trade. We might expect it to fall down to this particular level, which is 2300, and so it's 300 is looking like the first 2300 is here, so somewhere here might get down here or even down here, but long term I think gold is looking a bit bearish, so look out for that. Yeah, that's for gold. So I'm thinking in a very crazy liquidity month we might see gold breaking down all of these levels to somewhere here, maybe 2155. Yeah, but it's a long move, and hopefully we'll see. Let's see what happens with gold this week. I would want to even, because gold being gold, I would want to I would want to think that there's a possibility that it might also move to the second or even third, like a bigger long-term trade will be something like this. Yeah, because if you see the channel coming down, yeah, we might actually target down here with a very tight stop loss. Mm, it might play out, it might not play out. That is forex for you. But at least the probabilities of it playing in your favor are kind of high, and that's what forex is all about. Another of my pair that I'd like to look at is GJ, GBP, JPY. Sorry for all of the markups that you're seeing, because I think I looked at this stuff yesterday also, so that's why we have a little focused already. Yeah, remember this is not financial advice. You have to do your own analysis, do your own research. So looking at sorry, looking at GJ, GJ has been a little bit, not even a little bit, it has really been bullish, really been bullish. So guys, let me just quickly get my charger. I kind of Okay, we're back, and my laptop is successfully charging now. So we've been in this long, like really long bullish push with GBP JPY, and I think it's getting long overdue for a kind of correction. This is the monthly. Let me break it back down to the weekly. It's actually not following our analysis. We expected it to start dropping around here, but yeah, that's the forex for you. Yeah, I don't know if I'll call this a liquidity hunt or whatever. It's just crazy. Anyways, looking at this market now, I would think there might be a bullish, a bearish move soon for GBP Now, looking at this liquidity area, there might be a kind of stop hunt. Take everybody out here, and if we take everybody out, then we can now start pushing back down. So I think this is it. But if I were you, or if if I were me, which is me, I am me, I'll wait for I'll wait for I'll wait for this channel to be broken. So I'll expect this market to move here, move there, then get somewhere here, then push down. Then I'll take the trade. Yeah, that's for. I'll wait for it to come outside of this stuff, this channel. Yeah. Then for GBP USD, let me go back to the monthly to see what's happening from the larger time frame. I think GBP pairs might be dropping next week, but I'm not too sure about GBP USD because the movement has been confusing. If you go back to the weekly, yeah, I think I've already marked up what I'm expecting to happen. So for next week, we might see. Let me still go back to the daily. So it kind of came out of this channel. So I might take the risk of selling, but then it might push up to fill up somewhere here that is retesting this lower trend line. Yeah, so see what I mean? It might push up a bit and then before it sells, but I'll think that maybe there'll be a sell for GBS in next week. Yeah, Forex, anything can happen though. So you can see that there's a possibility that it might come here, sweep out everybody, take out everybody here, then go back down. But I'm more bearish bias because as you can see, it has broken out of this channel, so I expect a sell. Yeah, but then again, there's a lot of news events coming up next week, and it might affect the way I see there's NFP on the 7th of June. It might actually affect the way the pairs are going to be moving next week, so we need to look out for that. NFP, very dangerous news. Like you can clear your account, so you have to be careful. So odd USD, Australian dollar USD. Hmm. I would actually, you see, most of the pairs are looking like they are looking a bit bearish. So you see, it's out of this trend channel. So maybe it will come back here to retest this level before selling. Then again, there's a lot of news. So it's going to be a very difficult week for trading or for traders rather. But I think both is correct for trading and for traders because there's a lot of news lined up. So we just have to be careful. Um, be very careful. Yeah, that's what I have to say. So I think there are some of the pairs that I've already flagged. I think I looked at them a few days ago and I saw that they are approaching key levels. So I'll wait for this guy to break out here before I think of taking any trade. Then USD card also. Yeah, you see a lot of them are already breaking out of the bullish trend channel. So you might expect to see a lot of sales. So, but let's see how it goes for next week. So I think we'll be stopping here for now. And if you want any particular pair for us to analyze, you can leave a comment and we'll see what to do about it. Then for Bitcoin, what is even happening with the Bitcoin? Bitcoin is not looking bullish at all. Bitcoin might soon start selling off. Yeah, because it's looking like a double top. It's looking like a double top is being formed. But let's see. Okay, might push up here. Let's see. Yes, if it breaks this, um, let's see if it breaks this wedge or channel. So if it breaks out of this, then it might push up back to 72k. But if it continues here, we might say fall back to 63k. So, but I really don't trade Bitcoin. So yeah, Euro JPY is looking bearish, but I'd wait for it to come out of this trend channel and then retest it for confirmation. Then I might just take a sell from somewhere here. This has my stop loss and then target is lows. Yeah, I think this is a trade that I might just wait for it to clear. So yeah, guys, I'll stop here for today. Um, hopefully we'll get more good videos out concerning trading in the coming days. Yeah, thank you.